alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ribat Hassan. I am a student of Mahfazul Quran Habija Madrasa. My village Chashiakrapur, Monosingha. Today I would like to share a short speech about the madrasa education system. Dear respected audience, the madrasa education system is one of the most important foundations of our society. It is not limited to religious knowledge only. Rather, it teaches moral values, discipline, and builds strong character based on the teachings of the Holy Quran and Hadith. The main goal of madrasa, technology and the English language. And with Islamic studies, they are also learning modern education, technology and the English language. As a result, they are playing a significant role in society, the country and even on international platforms. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.